Guys, with Google Ads and Microsoft Ads, three things are important. So if you master these three areas of Google Ads and Microsoft Ads, then you are an expert. So the first one is that how you track the conversions or the user activity on your website. So the traffic activity and lead generation or sales. So whatever activity going on, if you set it right, that is the first thing that you've done it correctly. Second, we have the keyword research. So you have to know what type of keywords are important for Microsoft Ads or Google Ads. So such as exact match, phrasal match, broad match, negative match, all sorts of keywords. So you don't want to spend your money on some broad match and also not narrowing down too much to hurt the effectiveness of your ads. And the third one is actually the bidding strategy on both platforms. So here we have a search campaign and we have several bidding strategies here. So let us talk briefly about each of them. But if you click on the learn more, you actually have a very long list of explanation of each bidding strategy here, so you can learn a lot about it. So it is really important to take time and learn everything here, because if you want to pass the exam and get certified, those are the questions you will encounter during the exam. So first, let us talk here. First, let us talk about them briefly, so you have a general understanding of what those biddings are, and then you can actually go and read more about them. So if we click on Enhance the CPC, you can actually adjust your bid here, or you can let Microsoft to decide for you. But for this one, you actually have the option. For some of them, for example, this one, you have the option, but if you click here, they say that however, we recommend not setting a maximum CPC because this is an automatic bidding, and so if they try to spend your money, for example, per click 25 cents, and if you set 10 cents, you may get lower maximize clicks. So you may get the fewer clicks here. So let us talk actually about all of them. So first thing, we have enhanced CPC. So Microsoft adjusts your bids in real time to increase the chances of conversions. So while respecting your set bid, your bid might go up and down based on the likelihood of conversion. So for example, if you set a bid of $2 per click, Microsoft might increase this bid to 2.50 if it predicts that a particular click is more likely to result in a conversion, or decrease it to 1.50 if the click seems likely to convert. So this is the first one. The second one, we have maximize clicks. So this is automated bidding. Microsoft automatically sets your bids to get the maximum number of clicks within your budget. An example, if you have a daily budget of $100, Microsoft will adjust your bids throughout the day to try to get as many clicks as possible within that budget, possibly bidding lower on less competitive keywords to stretch the budget further. Then we have maximize conversions. So maximize conversions, Microsoft automatically sets your bids to achieve the most conversions possible within your budget. For example, if your goal is to drive form submissions on your website, Microsoft will adjust your bids to prioritize clicks that are more likely to convert into form submissions, even if that means fewer total clicks. Then we have maximize conversion value. So this is different from this one. And Microsoft optimizes your bids to maximize the total value of conversions, considering monetary value of each conversion. So if you are running an e-commerce campaign, Microsoft might bid higher on clicks that are more likely to result in high-value purchases, aiming to maximize the total revenue generated. Then we have target CPA. So target CPA, you set a target cost per acquisition and Microsoft automatically adjusts your bids to achieve this average cost per conversion over time. So if you set a target CPA of $50, Microsoft will aim to get conversions at an average cost of $50, sometimes bidding higher or lower depending on the predicted conversion likelihoods. Then we have target ROAS or return on ad spend. You set a target ROAS and Microsoft automatically adjusts your bids to achieve this return on your ad spend. So if your target ROAS is $300 or 300%, Microsoft will aim to spend $1 in ads to generate $3 in revenue, adjusting bids based on the predicted return from each click. Then we have target impression share. So Microsoft adjusts your bids to achieve a specific impression share in your desired location, such as at the top of the page or anywhere on the page. So if you set a target to appear in the top 10% of search results, Microsoft will increase or decrease bids to ensure your ads appear there as often as possible within your budget. And then we have portfolio strategy. So portfolio bid strategy. This strategy allows you to manage bidding across multiple campaigns, automatically balancing bids between under and overperforming campaigns to meet shared goals. So example, if you have multiple campaigns with a shared goal of maximizing conversions, Microsoft will relocate budgets between them to optimize overall performance, possibly reducing bids in a lower performing campaign and increases them in a high performing one. Another one we have, which is not listed here, is called manual bidding strategies. So CPC, CPM, CPV, CPI. So you manually set the bids yourself. And please note that this strategy is only or primarily used in video and application campaigns. So if you set a manual CPC bid of $1, Microsoft will always use this bid amount for each click without any automatic adjustments.